All right, let's talk products. I mean, show me like one of your go-to reds, and I'm gonna show you one of my go-to reds.
One of my favorite reds is actually like, I would just go to the Dwayne Reed and get it, or Walgreens.
Okay.
It's a Maybelline.
Oh, nice. Can you show that
the
camera a little closer? Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's just
it's like a true
real red.
It's like almost like a, it's like a real, just true.
More
I see a lot of blue. I was
yes.
just gonna say, I see a lot of blue.
Definitely more blue, but that's like a personal thing.
Right.
I just like the way that looks better.
Okay.
It's like a nice ruby red.
Okay.
And this is just really creamy. A lot of girls on stage, because we dance a lot, like they like to use like a matte stay.
Right, and you use a lip liner, right?
Yeah, I use a MAC lip liner.
So you use the same one that I use.
Yes.
It's my like go-to.
Yeah.
I love this. This red goes with anybody.
Yeah, with
any skin
red.
tone, with any red. It's called Brick from MAC. If you have it.
You have a little. It's so tiny
Oh
now.
my
Look
God.
at it. But I go through this. Even this lasts forever, but this.
Oh my gosh.
It's so little.
That's awesome. Yeah. I actually wanted to share like something that I've been loving really recently. It's a new it's a 2-in-1 lip. And the 2-in-1 because it's from Artistry Studio, so you guys can kind of see it here. And it's a 2-in-1 lip, like a lipstick. So there's there's like a sponge and like some shimmer. You can put it on your lip first.
Oh, that's fun.
And then from there, you put on, and I'm actually gonna let you swatch it because I want you to tell me what you think. So it is creamy.
Yeah.
And I know that like was something that you like, right? And so this is the color. I don't know if it has, it's not as blue as the other one, but I want to show you. What do you think of?
Oh yeah.
So show us what you use for your contour.
I have a few things, but I'll just always use bronzer. This is Too Faced, and if you can see that, and it's actually really cool because it has two different tones.
You can see she uses the dark one. This side is the dark side, and then this is the light side.
I like it because it's not so orange.
Yeah.
So
yeah, bronzer kind of sometimes can be orange.
And that really bothers me. So this is great for me. Yeah. Okay. And I've been using this one, Anastasia, which is new.
Open it up. It's so pretty.
Yeah,
I love
it's really pretty.
I use this a lot, so I love this highlighter. I'm
it's
gonna show you.
brand new. I like just started using it. Try it out.
I'm gonna share with you a highlighter that I've been using recently. It's from Artistry Studio, and you can see it has and this is like a really great you have your own personal light to it.
I know, that's amazing.
And it comes in like a couple of different colors, so you can have something really bright and white, or you can mix them. You can have something more bronzy, which I kind of would lean towards that, or even like a pink iridescent. I don't know. What would you use?
Personally, I just always use something like this.
Okay. Hopefully that looks a little bit better. Okay. All right. So
they look like they go on really nice.
Yeah, they're very here. Go ahead. You can swatch if you want.
Yeah, because sometimes they're really light.
Ooh,
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
so
actually
pretty.
really pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then this is the pinkish one.
Yeah, see? Oh, that's really nice too.
They do go on.
Yeah.
Really nice, yeah. Okay. All right, perfect.
Yeah, the case is so cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so, this is called Broadway Lights. This is called Broadway Lights.
See? It's meant for stage.
I love it. Okay, well, and then is there a lash brand that you like lean towards, or
no,
you just find something that you like?
Okay. We go to Dwayne Reed if we have to, or Sephora. It just depends. Like we use so many lashes. Like when you're doing, especially theater stuff, you go through them, so you don't want to spend a fortune.
No, exactly. Well, I'm going to give you some tips on where you can buy really inexpensive, really great lashes. So we're going to get started with the tutorial. We're going to do a quick. And are we going to do your hair too? We'll probably throw it up maybe a little bit. Okay. Yeah. All right. So we're going to get started with a tutorial on how you do stage makeup. So stay tuned, guys.